I mean, so what if the little girl you were looking for wasn't at that school? You still got to sign a pantload of autographs.
Yeah, but I failed. Somewhere out there is a little girl with blonde hair and ugly shoes and a broken heart.
How ugly were those shoes?
Ugly.
And green, you said, right?
That's her! Stop the bus!
You have to pull the ding line.
The what?
The ding thing, the ding string.
Ding, ding, ding!
You'll have to wait till the next stop.
I'll give you $100 to stop the bus right now! Woo! I tried. Walk. We're done riding.
Taylor, are you crying?
No, I'm just, they're whale sounds.
You know, everyone's looking for you.
Why? So they can make fun of me again?
I'm sorry. It was never supposed to be mean. Or maybe it was. It was Crystal's idea. She can be mean.
Well, it doesn't matter anymore. It's all over. Feast your eyes for one last time, because old Taylor is about to get the HEVO.
You know they're very anxious for you to sign that contract.
Yeah? Oh, I bet they are.
Something about Millie being a free agent if you don't sign by 5 p.m.
Wait a minute. That means that I have the upper hand. Anna, I could kiss you.
I could knee you in the groin.
Touche.
Oh, hold the door, hold the door!
Do you live here?
No, but I know a little girl who does. Well, I don't know her.
Sorry, I can't let strangers in the building.
Strangers? A stranger is just a friend you haven't met yet. I am Stan. This is Millie. She just really needs to speak to that little girl.
Well, I guess it wouldn't hurt if...
Look, you little puke. I have been chasing this kid all over this city, and I'll be damned if you and your overblown sense of social responsibility stops me when I'm this close.
Okay, well, you must have learned something there.
Oh, forget that jerk. Help me look for a rock.
Oh, Millie!
Oh! Hold the door!
Excuse me. Would you mind if my friend signed your book?
Oh, sure. Doc, they're right there. Grab them. I'll go get a rock.
Just press the button.
Stand back.
Press the button.
Oh.
Call a cell.
I tried it like 4 times already.
Look who I found.
Taylor, there he is. I am so sorry about everything that happened earlier. It was very unprofessional of Crystal, and I think she owes you an apology.
Me?
Just do it.
I'm really sorry that you found out about all this.
Apology accepted.
Great. So why don't we go in my office, wipe the slate clean, and start this negotiation all over?
Actually, I'm a little tired from all the crying and whale sounds. So why don't we pick this up tomorrow morning?
No, it's all ready to go.
You seem eager to finish this up, Joyce.
Well, why put off until tomorrow what you can accomplish today?
Especially by, 5 o'clock? Is that right?
Oh. Hello. Oh, yes, Stan. I'll be right there.
Yeah, I tried that. It doesn't work.
Oh, I'll call you back.
All right, no more games. Let's just go in there and work this out like the 2 professionals we are.
I want you to call me Captain Awesome whenever I come into the office.
That's ridiculous. I'm not doing that.
Well, maybe I'll just get Penguin on the phone then.
Captain Awesome. Happy?
I also want to sit on the edge of your desk whenever we meet. I look good. It feels right.
Are you kidding? I eat off this.
Then I get to call you Sweet Cheeks.
Unacceptable.
Sweetie Pie?
Sweetie. But only before noon so I can keep my lunch down. Go.
Okay. Who do I make this out to?
Matthew.
Matthew? Oh, man. First the ugly shoes, and then you give her a guy's name? She doesn't stand a chance.
I'm not Matthew. I'm trading Matthew Simpson's book for some Dunkaroos.
You can't trade the Grumpaloos for Dunkaroos. This is a good story. It has lessons of acceptance and patience.
I found it a bit childish.
Oh, you found it childish. Well, then, oh. How's that for childish?
It's pretty bang on.
See how many Dunkaroos you get for this?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
You shouldn't be allowed within 10 feet of a shoe store.
Hey, can we catch that bus? Or are we kicked off all buses?
This is the stupidest contract I've ever written.
Well, maybe you'll think next time before you mess with me, sweetie.
So everything worked out?
Oh, yeah, you've got a curtsy now whenever he does that.
Yeah, I don't think that'll be happening any millennium soon.
Sorry, it's in the contract.
Which is where?
It's printing.
Hey, guys! Did you know it's contract day?
Let me tell you about contract day.
Yeah, I just changed the date on last year's contract and signed it. Hope it's legal.
What?
Legal enough for me. Oh, it's nice doing business with you, sweet cheeks.
Missy Grumpaloo was looking for her friend, the something or other. She looked high and low, but all she could find were whatchamacallits and who's-em-a-whatsits. When she finally found her friend, she realized it wasn't a something or other at all. It was a mean stinkaloo in disguise. And that's when Missy realized that not all something or others are what they seem. Some of them are mean and unfriendly and have stupid mums.